The O-ring fits on the piston, forming a sill between it and the cylinder. Over time, the O-ring will wear, often breaking in half. When this occurs, the sill between the cylinder and the piston will be lost and the gun won't fire. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head assembly from the gun. Next, I'll remove the cylinder and driver from the housing. To do that, I'll take a screwdriver and carefully pry it out of the housing. Now I can install the new piston O-ring. I'll remove the old O-ring from the piston. And now I can install the new O-ring. Next, I'll install the driver unit into the cylinder. I'll press it into the cylinder so that most of the driver is extending out. This will make it easier to align the driver with the housing. As I install the driver and cylinder assembly back into the housing, I want to make sure that the side of the driver that has the groove on it is pointing towards the back of the gun. Then I'll press the cylinder firmly into the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the head assembly. And that's all it takes to replace the piston O-ring on your nail gun.